preparing this today. Look at that. Amazing. You gotta love it. Superb. Look at that. Look, it's steaming. Look at that. Hear the sound. Look at that. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another epic day, guys. Beautiful day, nice and bright. Yep. And I'd like to say shout out to all my subscribers, you know, those who have been liking up the videos, sharing up the videos, commenting on the videos. Guys, you know that you're epic, so just keep on doing the good work, man. Respect, love, and all that good stuff coming your way, man. Out of respect from Manix to all of you. On the grill today, it is over 450 million years old. That's what I'll be putting on the grill today. If you can guess it, guess what? Try. But it'll take too long. For you, take forever to figure what it is. But anyway, let's jump into it. So, as you can see already, I have, you know, the fire is up already. I already light my coal. You know, it's a little bit windy, guys, so forgive me for the wind. It's a little bit windy, and we're still gonna get it done. So today, guys, still guessing? All right, I'm gonna reveal it to you. A horseshoe crab. That's what I'll be putting on the grill today, guys. This is it right here, a horseshoe crab. Already put him to sleep. Yep, that's it, guys. This is it. This is what I'm gonna be putting on the grill today, a horseshoe crab. This is the 450 million years living fossil right here. These guys were around in the dinosaur period. Look at this guy right here. This is a female right here. You can tell the difference by their size. This is a female. The males are smaller, and you know, during the end of spring to the beginning of summer, it's these guys mating season, so they come out to spawn and they come ashore and they mate, they lay their eggs, and then they go back to the ocean. So yesterday I caught this guy and I said, man, I'm gonna try it. Never tried it before, you know. I don't think these guys are nowhere in the Caribbean, so I never seen one, never catch one. You know, this is the first time seeing one of. It's less related to a crab and more related to a scorpion and a spider. Well, I don't care what you relate it to, you're gonna get grilled today. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned and watch the progress as we get this thing done. With that, I will be sauteing some Roman lettuce, some escallion, onion, carrot, garlic, and I also got my lemon right here. I got some allspice, and I got my jerk seasoning right here, and I got my sesame oil blend right here. Grill is ready. This guy right here, I'm gonna season him up, and first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of my jerk seasoning right here, a little bit of this sesame oil, little bit of the allspice and mix it up together. And then I'm just going to just throw it on this guy right here, man. Yep. Yep. That's it, guys. And then I'm just going to just put this guy on the grill like this. Yep. Just put him on the grill like that and just cover him up, man. Cut up my sweet pepper right here. Yep. Cut my green sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, onion, scallion, my 2 peg of garlic, 2 peg of garlic or garlic. Yep. I'm gonna add the remainder of my allspice and my salt and pepper. Gonna be adding a little sesame oil right here. This is what he looks like right now and sounds like. Already season him up a little with some Jamaican jerk seasoning, and he is getting there, guys. Yep. 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 Give him about 5 more minutes. That's it to get done. Yep. I think I'm gonna turn him on this side a little. Yep. So that's how we do it, guys. Yep. Yep. That's it right there, my friends. That's it right there. Beautiful. I am so super happy that I'm preparing this today. Look at that. Amazing. You gotta love it. Superb. Look at that. Look, it's steaming. Look at that. Hear the sound. Look at that. Yep. smell the jerk seasoning coming from the jerk seasoning aroma coming from off of it, guys. Beautiful. Yeah. So I'm gonna take him off right now, and I'm gonna put on my vegetables to get sauteed, guys. Yep. That's it right there. Yep. Look at that. Yep. Yep. Don't have a bigger pot cover to cover it, so that's what I'm using, guys. I'm sauteing my vegetable to go with this horseshoe crab right here. Yep. That's it right there. Yep. You don't need this no more. So this is it, guys. This is it right here. Put my lemon, a little lemon juice on it. Wow, this smells so super delicious. Look at that. Look at that. If you can only smell the sauteed vegetable right here, it smells so delicious. About 30 more seconds, and then I'm going to take it off. You don't want to overcook it. So that's how you do it. You just cut along the head right here. Yep. This is what you're looking for right here, the eggs, or the roe as they call it. Yep. Just scoop out all of it. Yep. So guys, I'm just taking out the meat out of it. Taking out the raw out of it. There's a little fat around the edges. See if I can get those also. And the raw, that's it. Yep. So I put the raw and a little bit of fat and flesh in my sauteed vegetable. Yep, that's it. Take it off. So finally prepare my lunch, sitting on my porch right now. Gonna enjoy my horseshoe crab with some peach lemonade with just tips of lime in it. Yep. Cheers. It tastes like, you know, crabs that are eaten in Jamaica. The only thing is you're eating it and all you're eating is egg. You can hear the crunchy sound in your mouth as you are crushing those small eggs. You know? Yep. Yep. Cheers. Just sitting down on the floor, listening to birds in the background. It was nice and sunny earlier on, but right now it is like overcast. Seems as if we are gonna get some rain. Yep. Beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. Beautiful. Loving it. I would definitely do it again. Roman lettuce, allspice, coming together to give it this marvelous flavor. Beautiful. horseshoe crab. If you never tried before, try it out and let me know. Any of you ever tried, leave a comment and tell me what you think about it when you tried it the first time. This is my first time having it. I'm a crab eater, so it's not so really, the taste is not that really different, you know, but you have more flavor to, like the crabs that I ate when I was back in Jamaica. They have more flavor than the horseshoe crab. Yeah. But one thing I can say, I got to eat something that was around where the dinosaurs was roaming the earth. Before, this is my first time having horseshoe crab. Never had it before. First time trying it out, and I would definitely eat it again, guys. 100% certain. So guys, it's windy, it's a little bit chilly, and it's getting cold, and I don't want it to get cold while I'm eating. So, you know, I'm gonna leave you guys right here as I eat off this food, because I ain't gonna throw none away, because this is my first time eating a guy like this, a crab like this, and I want to make sure that I eat it and enjoy it to the fullest. Another epic adventure, guys. Peace. Love you guys. I'm out.